Do you get confused by is, was, have, had, and will? Then don't memorize 12 separate tenses. Here's the secret. 12 tenses are just 3 times multiplied by 4 patterns. Once you understand those 4 patterns, the whole system becomes much easier. Let's do it in 3 minutes. First, remember these 4 words. Simple, continuous, perfect, perfect continuous. Simple, just the action. I work. Continuous, the action is happening. I am working. Perfect, the action is connected to another time. I have worked. Perfect continuous, the action has been happening over time. I have been working. That's it. Now we are going to move these 4 patterns through present, past, and future. Let's start with present. Simple present. I work every day. For questions or negatives, we can use do or does. Do you work? She doesn't work. Now, what if I am working right now? Present continuous. I am working. She is working. They are working. What if I've worked here from the past until now? Present perfect. I have worked here for 5 years. She has worked here for 5 years. And if we want to emphasize the activity continuing over that period, present perfect continuous. I have been working here for 5 years. See the pattern? Work. Am working. Have worked. Have been working. Now move the same 4 patterns into the past. Simple past. I worked yesterday. Past continuous. I was working when you called. Past perfect. I had worked before he arrived. Now, if the activity had been continuing for some time, past perfect continuous. I had been working for 2 hours when he arrived. Notice what changed? The pattern stayed the same, only the time changed. Simple, continuous, perfect, perfect continuous. Now, let's do the future. Simple future. I will work tomorrow. Future continuous. I will be working at 8 p.m. Future perfect. I will have finished the work by 8 p.m. And future perfect continuous. I will have been working for 5 hours by 8 p.m. Now, quick test. Which sentence means the action will already be completed by a certain time? Is it A, I will be working, or B, I will have finished the work? The answer is B. That little word have is giving you a clue. Now here's the part I want you to remember. You don't have to memorize 12 unrelated formulas. Think of a simple table in your head. Present. I work. I am working. I have worked. I have been working. Past. I worked. I was working. I had worked. I had been working. Future. I will work. I will be working. I will have worked. I will have been working. 3 times, 4 patterns, 12 tenses. That's the entire system. So the next time you see is, was, have, had, or will, don't panic. Ask yourself 2 questions. What time am I talking about? And is it simple, continuous, perfect, or perfect continuous? Save this video so you can come back to it. And subscribe if you want English grammar explained simply and not complicated. Comment tenses if you want me to make the next video.